Hey, Crumb Boss, I can't see you. What do you got?
I got Royal Icing. What do you got?
I got an Excedrin in my pocket for my headache that will happen in a little while.
Stop eating sugar.
I'm not. I just had a little bit of Crumb
It's
Puffs.
like a kid in a candy store, Crumb Boss factory.
Come on.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Hello, Crumb Boss. What are you making today?
Today we are going to show you how to build a gingerbread house. Last week we showed you how to decorate one, right?
And we made gingerbread dough.
Gingerbread dough, Royal Icing, and then I had a pre-built house already, and then I showed you how to decorate one. But of course, everyone said, how did you build it?
Exactly. So if you build it, they will come.
That's right.
Exactly. Don't worry about it. You build it, they will come.
So right here in my trusty KitchenAid mixer bowl, I've got some Royal Icing that you can see I've whipped up very stiff, because look at it.
Yeah.
See how stiff that is?
It's stiff.
You need it stiff because otherwise your house is going to fall down.
And then you're going to have a broken down gingerbread house.
That's right.
That's how my house would look like, a broken down gingerbread house. Oh, look, the batteries are dying for some reason.
It's going to be quick.
Okay, go ahead, hurry up. Oh, God.
We have our gingerbread house pieces, two a front and a back. I've got two sides, and I've got my roof over there.
Oh, your roof. Okay, yeah.
This is the way I do it.
All right, so you line it all
And I do
up.
these production line.
And you line it all up, so there.
This, and here, because my sides are going to have to adhere into there. And then watch this. I take this and I go all in one line.
Oh, very cool. Oh, yeah.
Okay, then I take a side and a front,
Yes.
and I bring it right over here.
Okay.
Stays up.
Oh, you are cool.
Then I take this one in there, and this one in there. And that is how you build a gingerbread house in about 3 seconds at Crumb Boss Factory.
Yes, now,
because I have to build about 100 of these.
It looks cool down because I can see the inside of it.
Okay.
Cool, very cool.
And then I just
now, how
go
do I
ahead
put
and
on my roof?
Take my roof and take more icing.
Uh-huh.
You got to go heavy-handed on this. You really want this stuff to be sticky, ooey gooey. You got to get a lot of it, otherwise.
And it looks like snow.
It is snow.
Oh, it's Royal Icing.
Yeah, and then you just put your house, your roof on there like that.
And then you have your
and
gingerbread
it's gonna
house.
stay. And then what I like to do is just take one down, strip
Yeah,
down
in case
the
the
middle.
rain gets through in the snow.
That's right. You have to put gutters on your house.
You have to put gutters. Yeah, don't forget to clean the gutters.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's everybody how I, the Crumb Boss, build a gingerbread house. You can do it any way you want, because we don't care.
We don't care about anything.
That's the new catchphrase.
Yeah.
Crumb Boss TV. We don't care.
Exactly. Okay, so that's a gingerbread house. You saw how she made it, and you can, do it yourself. So it's real easy. And I'm sure somebody will comment again and say, "Hey, can you go slower?" No, we can't go slower.
Crumb Boss, you don't go slow.
You got to keep up, baby.